Okay, this is how to complete the sketch of the perpendicular bisector conjecture, which states if a point is on the perpendicular bisector of a segment, then it is equidistant from the endpoints. So we're first going to start with a segment, and let me change the display to solid. And what we're going to do is we're going to construct the perpendicular bisector. So first I want to construct the midpoint. So to do that, make sure only the segment is highlighted here, and you're going to go up to construct midpoint. Then what you'll tell it to do is construct a perpendicular to the segment through this point. So construct perpendicular line. And then what you'll do is place a point along the perpendicular. How you can show that this is a perpendicular bisector is you can measure the angle and change that so it's only 1. And then we can also mark, and let me change that as well, and mark those as well. Alright, so now by looking at it, I know that these are congruent, and I know that this is 90 degrees, so this must be the perpendicular bisector. From here, what I'll do is I'm going to measure the distance to the endpoint, so I'll construct segments showing that, and I will measure those distances. Measure links. And so what do I have? I have the measure of segment AB, and I have the measure of segment AC. You'll notice as I move this point, those distances stay the same. How I can show that is if you highlight both of these measures and go to number tabulate, it'll make this little table here. And what you can do by pressing the space bar, or just kidding, if you double click it twice, it'll add another row. So what I can do then is move the point, double click it, and move the point, and it will show that no matter where point A lies on the perpendicular bisector, it's always equidistant from the endpoints of the segment.